Now that I've imported my students and my classes, I'm ready to set my first assignment. The first assignment I'm going to show you is just a basic video. We're just going to find a video online, assign it to the students to watch, and we'll be able to see have they watched it by the deadline, and we'll be able to see how much of it they did watch. So to do that, we're going to go up to content, and you can see in the bottom left here you've got various options for content and different sources. Most people are going to go with YouTube. So I'm going to search for technique. Okay, and I can see that there's a video here, and maybe I can watch it to try it out, but we'll assume that this video is fine. So I'm just going to click on it. The video comes up, I can see the length of it, I can play it through, make sure I'm happy with it. You can see other people are using this video on EdPuzzle. But once I'm happy that this is the video I want to give the students, I simply click Assign. My list of classes comes up. I'm going to give it to my PE class. I'm going to set a starting date, which is today. I'm going to set a due date, which I'll give them till tomorrow. I can give them a time as well if I wish. Save. I don't want the students to be able to skip through the video, so I'm going to leave that on. I can turn on closed captions if they're available, and more importantly, I want to put on posted to Google Classroom. And that way the students will see the assignment on Google Classroom and be taken to EdPuzzle with minimal fuss. So now that I'm ready to go, I click on Assign. Simple as that. Now from this control panel, I can see the 2 students in my class and what percentage they've watched it, and I can see if they've turned it in or not. So if I go back to my Google class and click on the stream to refresh, you'll see that the assignment has appeared. I can click into it, and just like a normal Google Classroom assignment, there are details there.